The short answer is no, you absolutely do not need to use one of these old sword kits. You can use this, of course. You can use the Uchiko ball, you can use the old kind of rice paper, you can use the oil that it comes with, all fine if you want to be kind of a traditionalist, but I find that the modern day solvents and things like that are quicker and just as good, if not better. So here's a sword. I'll do a quick cleaning for you, and I'm going to use modern materials. I am using here Mag's aluminum polish, shines and protects metals of all kind. It's not going to hurt your sword. Just take a nice clean rag, put some of this on there, wipe the sword. Be careful, of course, this is a very sharp sword, so I'm just wiping it, letting the chemicals do the job. And you do this, you know, every month or two. It depends on humidity and dryness and all that. Now I'm going to wipe it. Again, this is a really fast cleaning I'm doing for you. Quick video. You can see the metal and the dirt coming off there. That's fine. It's a light polish. So look at that. So there you have it. It's beautiful. It's clean. It's ready to go. So now I'm just using here some knife blade oil. You can find this on Amazon. You don't have to use these expensive kits. Take a little bit of the knife oil, put it on the blade, just a tiny, you don't need much. I'm not using much, and I'm using paper towel. Just spread the oil out. A light coat is all you need. Here on the tip, that is it. I mean, that's it. That'll keep it free of rust. If you don't put your fingers all over it or leave it in the dirt or out in the rain, it's going to be fine. Check on it every couple of weeks or so and it'll be fine, and then just re-clean it. What did that take me? 2 minutes, if not less. Now it's ready to go back and be stored in a clean, dry environment. So these modern tools, these modern cleaners, modern solvents, go on Google, check them out, make sure they won't hurt your blade, but I have never had a sword that suffered anything less than perfection using these modern tools. So there you go. You can be traditional or modern. Both of those work to clean your sword. Try it out. If you're not sure, try it on something that is less expensive, some sort of steel or metal, and see how it works with an open grain. There you go. Have fun cleaning your swords.